Welcome to another episode of Trade Breakdown. So today I'll be breaking down a trade we just took on XAUUSD, that is gold. So it's going to be very straightforward, and I'm going to show you how we're able to catch this trade. So we were able to catch over 200 pips on this particular trade, and this is the trade. Let me just go straight to the Telegram channel. So this is my community. If you are not in this community, I'm sure you're missing out a lot. So the link is going to be in the description. Try to look at the link or a session Telegram, ABFS Trading Academy. I share all my signals for free, right? Right now my signals are for free. I have the premium community, but I've stopped it for now, so I give all my signals for free, right? So you can join. Give us goal at 7 a.m. We sent the goal signal 2394, and yeah, this was a signal before, and I'm going to explain how I was able to catch this particular move on gold, giving us 200 pips, and price was able to hit the target, right? So yeah, right, so you can see this is the final block we have here. Gold hitting our target and 200 pips configured, keeping it simple, right? And I told them when to close, right? So let's go straight into the video, right? So this is gold. So today I got up looking at gold from let's say a higher time frame, like not to go too far. We will look at the 1 hour time frame. So on our 1 hour time frame, what we can see on gold is that we've been in sort of a consolidation here, right? This particular zone, we have been consolidating here for a long period, right? So when I talk of consolidation, it means that price is just creating what series of equal lows and what equal highs, right? No significant patterns at an uptrend or a downtrend, right? So haven't had these significant equal lows and equal highs and equal lows. What I was waiting for was what a good breakout to the downside, and yesterday we were able to have a good breakout to the downside, right? So having had this breakout, what I just needed to mark was what the high and the low of this, right? So after every move, after every important move, there should be what a correction to the upside, right? So after this breakout, taking out this low that we've had, so this was the low we had from this range, the price broke out. What I was waiting for was to get what a pullback into the zone that causes breakout, right? When we had into the zone, then when price actually started dropping, right? So when I saw that this morning, I was went to my 30 minutes time frame, and what I was waiting for was for price to actually was just pull back into this zone. I was very patient. If you see, I still have this alert here. This alert was because my plan was to take it straight at this level, right? Where I'm going to use my Fibonacci. After this move, I use my Fibonacci to measure the retracement. So we use Fibonacci, put it at the recent high and the recent low, and I was measuring my retracement for price to hit at about 79%, because this is a key zone I always use for my sniper entries. When price was approaching this level, I started seeing some exhaustion, right? Seeing price what the buyers became weak, weak and weaker. Then I saw this engulfing candle, this huge what momentum. This is where your understanding of candlesticks comes into play. Once you understand how to read the information printed on the candle, it makes your work way easier, right? So when I saw this and was asking at 61.8% Fibonacci, I just wanted the price to close below, and we can see that price actually had to close below this level, and that was when I called this particular trade, right? And now going into the entry, that's not all. You want to also understand where you should exit the trade. So once you first swing, you see that this level has been a key significant level, right? A key significant zone, and acting as what it was a resistance, acting as a support now. So that is how I had to exit the trade at this particular point. So remember, I said exiting about 24.74. If I go back to our telegram, you see that I actually, when I sent the signal, it was very easy. I said exit at where? Exit at 24.74, and you can see 24.74 price just tapped into this particular zone and it's going back to the upside, right? So that was how we were able to catch this move. A recap of it, very simple. Price did what? Impulse, a breakout from what? We had to break out from a range, right? So if you have price moving this way, let's say price is moving in downtrend like this, the price starts ranging. What you're waiting for is a breakout of this particular range, right? So when you have a range like this, what you want to see is price to break out here, right? So price eventually would had a breakout of this particular range, then I'm waiting for price to tap back into this zone. For 80% of the time, or 70%, price will tap back into their zone, and then what, I'll get my service. For me to catch this, I have to use what Fibonacci, putting on this and this low, and I do what 61%, and I go to trade. So that is how we were able to catch over 200 pips on this particular trade. So if you're not a member of the Telegram community, I will encourage you to join this Telegram community because I share my trading for free. I'm going to leave the link in the description, or you can search ABFX Trading Academy to join the community. See you at the other side, and feel free to do a comment and also share this video to as many people as you can. Right? I can't wait to be trading with you, sharing seminars with you. And I don't only share my seminars, I try to share the chat for people to understand. And you can see here, I said clearly that the reason I'm sharing this chart is for them to understand how I'm actually taking this trade, right? I don't just go ahead, just sharing trades and so on. So I share the chart, try to explain for you to see that, okay, why am I taking this trade? Is it someone who is copying a signal should be able to understand that, okay, this is where I will head into, right, before taking the particular trade. So yeah, I'm glad we're able to catch this, and we're going to go again tomorrow. This was a very good 1:3% bank on this particular trade, right? See you guys in the next one.